Today in our town we will have new heroes. I do not know who they are, but I cannot wait to see. This is the school bus Skulbi. The school bus is required for children to go to school or on trips. The bus is yellow because yellow will be clearly visible under any conditions and also because it can be seen from afar. This is Posty, the postman. He delivers the recipients, letters, newspapers, various packages and parcels. And this is Spooky. He has a trailer. His profession is also very useful. If a car breaks down, Spooky will quickly take it to be repaired by a workshop.